What's up, everyone? My name is Jeremy, and today I'm kicking off a new series on NFTs. Alright, so in this series, I'm mostly going to be breaking down different projects I'm either interested in or invested in myself. But to understand these projects, we'll have to get the basics out of the way first. So what is an NFT? Well, NFT stands for non-fungible token. In really simple terms, when you buy an NFT, you are purchasing a token in a transaction that can be verified on the blockchain. If you aren't sure what that means, you can check out my Intro to Crypto series right here. Now, to understand what non-fungible means, we can first look at the word fungible. Something that is fungible is 100% interchangeable, like Bitcoin or even paper money. In the case of Bitcoin, it doesn't matter which Bitcoin you own in your wallet, it's the same as any other Bitcoin on the market. For fiat or paper currency, you can exchange one bill for another bill of the same denomination and it won't matter. They're both worth the same amount and equally accepted. So if an item is non-fungible, that just means it is not interchangeable with any other token and means it is unique. The word provenance comes up a lot in art as well as NFTs. If you can prove when and where an item was created, then that shows proof of its provenance or origin. For example, we know that Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa sometime around 1503, and only one copy exists, which is currently on display at the Louvre. The Mona Lisa is non-fungible because there's only one copy. If the museum gift shop sells prints of the Mona Lisa, then these copies are fungible or interchangeable, since they aren't the original and it doesn't matter which one you buy to display in your home. Art and NFTs go hand in hand because you can prove exactly when an NFT was minted or created on the blockchain. The token is created on the blockchain with a timestamp of origin, and the token itself is what you are purchasing or trading when you make a transaction. The token might represent a JPEG, for example, but this is why NFTs are so great. Not every NFT is an image or a piece of art. An NFT can be a piece of music, a concert ticket, or membership to a club. In the future, we'll be able to use NFTs instead of car keys to unlock rentals, use NFTs as deeds for land, and anything else you can think of that stores data for an item that needs proof of ownership. Okay, so now that we understand what an NFT is, how can you get one? Well, there are a few ways you can do just that. The main ways are minting or creating an NFT, buying one on the secondary market, and even getting one airdropped straight to your wallet. When you mint an NFT, you essentially connect your wallet to a smart contract and pay a gas fee to execute a transaction in order to exchange ETH from your wallet for an NFT. We're using ETH here just as an example, as you can buy NFTs on other chains as well, such as Solana, and some NFTs are even free to redeem. In either case, your transaction will cost a one-time gas fee, so you will need some amount of ETH to get started, even if the NFT is free. Buying and selling on the secondary market is easy with OpenSea. Think of OpenSea as the eBay of the crypto world. You can browse collections and different projects and pretty much find any NFT that exists on the blockchain on their marketplace. You can even create your own NFTs and sell them right there. They take a cut of every sale, and most NFTs you buy will have what's known as a royalty or percentage of the purchase that goes directly back to the artist, which is all encoded directly in the smart contracts. So if you're an artist and you sell your art to other people and further down the line another sale is made, you as the artist will receive a royalty on every one of those secondary sales. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this intro. I'm going to be dropping a lot more content on specific NFT collections I'm interested in and what I'm looking for when I'm researching new projects. What do you want to learn most about in NFTs? Leave me a message in the comments below and I'll see you in the next episode.